Chairman Sahab, I take the opportunity to participate in general discussion on the state budget for 2025-26. I compliment Deputy Chief Minister Sahab for presenting the third budget, including the vote of thanks. This is an historical budget as the projected expenditure of rupees 3.04965 crores crosses the 3 lakh crore mark for the first time in Telangana. State GSDP as per capita income growth rate surpasses the national figures. The Finance Minister Sahab has noted that the state GSDP at current prices stand rupees 16.12.579 crores with the growth rate of 10.1% in 2024-25, while the country GDP registered the growth rate of only rupees 9.9%. The state per capita income at current prices stand at rupees 3.79.751 with a growth rate of 9.6% in 2024-25 compared with national per capita income of rupees 2.05579 and the growth rate of 8.8%. The state capita income is higher by 1.8 times than the national average in the current year. I compliment of all the government schemes, all the 6 guarantee schemes under Abhiya Astam, and recall how these schemes have benefited lakhs of people in last 15 months. This scheme includes free bus rides for the women and supply of LPG cylinders at rupees 500 under Mahalakshmi, provision of free electricity up to 200 unit for BPL families under Graha Jyoti, Raitu Bharosa, Asara pension, Chiyota, Indramma housing bonus to fine paddy farmer, Rajiv Aragya Shri, Indramma, Atimiya and Bharosa for landless farm laborers. 9 schemes under Abhiya Astam are allocated of rupees 56.085 crores and 17 other major schemes are allocated rupees 48.245 crores, and all these 28 schemes together are allocated 1.04329 crores in the next year budget. I compliment Janab Bhatti Sahab for making this record allocation for the schemes which benefits all sector of the population of the state. The ration card holder are waiting for Sanna BM from Sankratri. When the switch over the fine rice supply was supposed to be commenced. I would like to know whether the Bhav Bharati portal to replace Dharni portal which become operational for Ugadi from Ugadi March 30th as indicated by Revenue Minister Sahab. Many poor families without ration card have filled application during the Praja Palana program and also special campaigning taken by the government from time to time. The process of issue of new ration card officially began on January 26th this year, but the probably new ration card continue to be execute for all the fresh applications. I want to know when the new ration card will be issued. Apart from SC Special Development Fund of rupees 40.232 crores and SC and ST SDF of rupees 17.6169 crore, the state budget for 2025-26 earmark rupees 11.405 crores for BC welfare and 3.591 crore for minorities welfare, and the total allocation of these communities add up to 72.1397 crores. I would like the government to ensure that the allocation meant for the welfare department are fully released and spent in every financial year so that the benefits of the welfare scheme for the SCs, STs, BCs and minorities communities reach them in time. In this backdrop, I may point out that the minorities welfare department was provided rupees 3.002 crore in the state budget for 2024-25, but so far the actual expenditure has been only 1.348 crores. Thousands of minority students are waiting for the release of their pre-matric scholarship, fees reimbursement, and overseas scholarship. I request the government to release the fund for clearing all these dues of the student immediately. I would urge the government to take up special recruitment drives for the minorities youth in the government and private sector. There is a need to set up skill development centers in Hyderabad to provide training to more minorities youth. The government should take step to provide the Telangana State Minorities Finance Corporation with required staff so that the various schemes implemented through the corporation are monitored properly. With this, I thank your Honorable Chairman sir
Okay.
for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
ఓకే షేర్ సుభాష్ రెడ్డి గారు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. ముఖ్యంగా ఇవాళ ఈ బడ్జెట్ ప్రసంగం మీద అవకాశం ఇచ్చినందుకు మీకు ధన్యవాదాలు. ఈ బడ్జెట్లో చాలా విషయాల్లో ఆ పార్టీ లేదా ఆ ప్రభుత్వం చెప్పిన దానికి వాస్తవానికి చాలా తేడా ఉంది. ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా ఒక 4-5 విషయాలు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నాను. ఇందిరమ్మ
నిమిషాలకు
ఇల్లు
క్లోజ్ చేయాలి.
సార్ ఓకే సార్. ఇందిరమ్మ ఇండ్ల విషయంలో మాటి మాటికి మా ఇందిరమ్మ రాజ్యం వచ్చింది, ఇందిరమ్మ ఇండ్లు ఇస్తున్నాం అన్నారు. ఇంతకుముందు కూడా మంత్రి గారు మాట్లాడుతూ మీ ప్రభుత్వంలో ఏం చేశారో అవి ఇవన్నీ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. మనం 2000